Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking up from the topic of differential equations. And if I talk about the question that is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us that to find the solution of a differential equation which is given to us as x square plus y square dx minus 5xy dy equals 0. And the question is asking me with the condition that says y of 1 equals to 0. So solution for this entire differential equation is asked to us to figure out, and a condition is given that at x equals to 1 y value would be 0. So if I have to mention the answer choices are: the first one, mod of x square minus 4y square raised to 5 equals x square. The second answer choice I have here is mod of x square minus 2y square raised to 6 equals x. The third answer choice I have here is mod of x square minus 2y square raised to 5 equals x square. And the fourth answer choice I have is mod of x square minus 4y square raised to 6 equals to x. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct solution for the given differential equation. Let's see how to solve this question further. Before starting off with the solution for this question, I would first like to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel and support the channel as well, because it takes lots of efforts and it also motivates me to put up better content and try to make the solutions as easy as possible so you understand them in a better way. Let's see how to solve this question further. So if I want to solve this question further, first of all, if I write my differential equation which is given to us, which says x square plus y square dx minus 5xy dy equals to 0. So first step, what I can do here is I can take x square plus y square dx is equals to 5xy dy. So I'm just taking the first part of the expression 5xy on the other side. Now if I try to find first of all in the terms of dy by dx, my entire expression would turn to become, I'm taking dx on this side and this 5xy goes down. So you have x square plus y square divided by 5xy. So your dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square divided by 5xy. Now once I have this with me, I'll substitute this. So let's say y as a terms of other variables. So let's say y is equals to v into x. Now once I have y as v into x, I'll take the derivative of that, which is dy over dx. So dy over dx becomes v into dx over dx, which is 1 plus x into dv over dx. So I get dy over dx as v plus x into dv over dx. Now once I have this with me, I'll put it here in this expression. So I get v plus x dy over dx or dv over dx. So instead of dy over dx, I'm substituting that. And this x square plus y square divided by 5xy, which I have. Let's see what this becomes. So basically x square plus y square, so if I write it, x square plus y is vx. So vx the whole square, so v square x square divided by 5xy, so 5x, and y is again vx. So I get from here x square common, 1 plus v square divided by x square again out, so 5v, this gets cancelled. Now I have v plus x dv over dx. So I get this v plus x dv over dx is equals to 1 plus v square over 5v. Now from here, if I try to solve it further, I get x dv over dx equals 1 plus v square over 5v minus v. Further, if I try to make the denominator same, I will multiply both sides with 5v. So I get x dv over dx equals to 1 plus v square. But let's write that. So we get x dv over dx is equals to 1 plus v square over 5v and minus v into 5v, which is minus 5v square divided by 5v. Now once I have this with me, further if I try to write it, I can write this as x dv over dx equals to 1 minus 4v square divided by 5v. Now further, if I try to solve it, what I'll do is I'll take the variables on one end and try to do that question now. So I get 5v over 1 minus 4v square dv is equals to 1 over x dx. Now once I have that with me, I'll just integrate both the sides. Now once I integrate both the sides, I can use the idea of substitution. Let's do that. To integrate this entire expression, I'll put 1 minus 4v square as, let's say, any other variable t. So I get from here minus 8v dv is equals to dt. So I get v dv is equals to minus 1 over 8 dt. So I have this expression with me. Now further, if I try to solve it, I get integral of 5 into minus 1 over 8 dt is equals to 1 minus 4v square, which is nothing but t. Integral of 1 over x dx. So further, let's try to solve this. So I get here minus 5 over 8. Integral of dt over t, which is natural log of mod of t, is equals to integral of 1 over x, which is natural log of mod of x, plus a constant. So natural log of a constant, let's say c. Now further, if I try to solve it, I know t. So I can resubstitute t. What did we put t as? T was 1 minus 4v square. So I'll put that again. So I get minus 5 over 8. Natural log of mod of t in this case is 1 minus 4v square is equals to natural log of x plus natural log of. So I get this entire expression. Now further, if I try to solve it, I'll take this entire expression on one side. So I get from here minus natural log of c. I'm taking this on the other side is equals to 5 over 8 natural log of 1 minus 4 v square. We already know v was y over x, right? So we had substituted v as, or we had substituted y as v into x. So yeah, resubstituting v, I get y over x. So 1 minus 4 y over x the whole square plus natural log of mod of x. Now further, if I try to solve it, 5 over 8 natural log of x square minus 4y square divided by x square plus natural log of mod of x. So from here, what do I get? Let's see. So natural log of minus natural log of c. So I can take this 5 over 8 in the power. So I get this is natural log of mod of x square minus 4y square divided by x square the whole raised to 5 over 8 into or plus natural log of mod of x. So natural log of a plus natural log of b, which is natural log of a into b. So natural log of mod of x square minus 4y square divided by x square raised to 5 over 8 into mod of x, which is equals to natural log of c. And once I have both the sides natural log, I can take this minus sign also. Natural log of c raised to minus 1 equals to natural log of x square minus 4y square divided by x square raised to 5 over 8 into mod of x. So this entire thing in one bracket, both the sides have natural log with them. So I can just equate the bases which are there with the natural log. Let's see. So further, if I try to solve it, I get a negative exponent to a constant is nothing but mod of x square minus 4y square divided by x square raised to 5 over 8 into mod of x. Now let's say c raised to minus 1 is a new constant, let's say any new constant that is k. So I get the k value as mod of x square minus 4y square divided by x square raised to 5 over 8 into mod of x. So this becomes the value of k. Now further, if I want to find the value of k here, let's see what I get. So to find the value of k, I can use my idea which says at x equals to 1, y equals to 0, because y of 1 is given equals to 0. So add x equals to 1. If I put y as 0, let's see what I get. So k in this case would be cut x equals 1. So 1 square minus 0 divided by 1 raised to 5 over 8 into mod of 1. So I get entire expression turning out to become 1. So k basically in this case becomes 1. And once I have k as 1, I get my solution to a differential equation. Let's see what I get. So I get this entire expression turning out 1. So if I further try to solve this idea further, I get this turning to become 1 is equals to mod of x square minus 4y square raised to 5 over 8 divided by, this becomes x square raised to 5 over 8, which is nothing but x raised to 2 into 5, so 10 over 8, and mod of x as it is here. So further I get this expression turning to become mod of x square minus 4y square raised to 5 over 8 divided by this. If I see, it basically becomes mod of x raised to 5 over 4, and this mod x is raised to 1. So when I take this x raised to 1 down, becomes minus 1. So I get this expression, and further if I see 1 is equals to mod of x square minus 4y square raised to 5 over 8 divided by the power of that, which is mod of x 5 minus 4 1, so 1 over 4. Now once I have this, I'll just take that mod of x raised to 1 over 4 on the other side. So I get mod of x square minus 4y square raised to 5 over 8 is equals to mod of x raised to 1 over 4. So once I have this with me, what I can do is I can take the fourth power to both of them. So if I take the fourth power to both of them, or let's take eighth power to both of them, because if I see my answer choices, let's first see them. So my answer choices have only the integral exponents, not the fractional exponents. So if I have to get eliminated this fractional exponents, I don't need an 8 here. So I'll take both of them with the power of 8. So if I take both of them with the power of 8, let's see what I get. So I get mod of x square minus 4y square raised to 5 over 8 into 8, which is 5. And this basically becomes mod of x 1 over 4 into 8, which is square. So I have this entire expression, and further if I see mod of x squared means it's always going to be a positive value, same as x squared. So I'll write this left hand side in the mod, but the right hand side I can just write it as it is. So if I see my answer choices now, it matches with one of the answer choice, and that becomes a correct one. So here if I see A becomes a correct answer choice for the question. And with that, I get my answer to the question asked, that is solution of the differential equation as answer choice A. So A becomes the correct answer. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of using the concepts of differential equations. I'll see you again on Friday with one other question from some other topic, and we are going to continue this series of questions on JEE mains from the recent paper, that is April 2024. And if you are enjoying these videos that we will be doing now on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, please do like the videos and do comment and subscribe on my channel, and do support the channel as well. Thank you.